All right, guys, I picked up the DJ Mic 2, just came out. Came in the mail 2 days ago, and this is the first time I've had to do it. I also went ahead and got the Osmo, the Pocket 3 expansion adapter to go on the side in case I want to use my Rode mic. So stick around. I'm going to unbox these real quick because I know there's 100,000 other ones, and then I'm going to do some tests and let you know what I think. So over the next day or so, I'll film a little video, and we'll take a look and see whether these things are working. Work it. Work it. Don't earn it. Reverse, forward, backward. 2 steps forward. 86 to salmon. It's gone bad.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
All right, guys, it has arrived. It's finally here. The DJI Mic 2. This is going to give me 2 more microphones in addition to the one I already have. So now I've got 3. We're going to test them out, see how great they work. I'm going to do a quick unboxing. Not going to waste a lot of your time, and we'll shoot right into it, tell you what I think. So over the next couple days, I'll take a couple videos, try some outside. Maybe I'll head out down by the water today and see how they work. All right, so I've got a little overhead working so we can unbox these. I don't know, the unboxing video may not be really my forte, but I thought since I do it so infrequently, let's try it out. Let's see what we have. And I may edit this down to fast motion because is it really all that exciting to watch me open a box? I don't know. Although I watch other people open boxes, why not this one? So here we go. Comes in a very similar pouch to the Osmo Pocket 3, though inside we have this pretty dope case. I mean, this is incredible. Look at this. So this is really heavy aluminum. It's got batteries on there. My question is, and I'm wondering, because I don't know, I'm doing this live with you guys, is this thing, can I use all 3 with the Osmo Pocket 3? Can I just put them all in there? Do I have to run this transmitter? So we'll see. You got 2 little dead cats, little wind screens. We got a charging cable. Don't eat this. Don't eat that. We got that, and a little, and then okay. So here's a microphone cable, so we can put it up to another camera. It doesn't have to be used with the Pocket 3. You can use other stuff. Man, this really feels nice. I want all my cases to feel this way. So what have we got in here? We've got 2 transmitters and a receiver. Oh, that's small. That's nice. A receiver there. And then 2 adapters. So apparently you can hook this up to your Samsung phone or your iPhone here. I'll just leave that in there because I don't have an iPhone. And I think it does Bluetooth as well. So this is our little package. I'll go ahead and unbox this, though it's not very exciting if you're interested. Oops, there's a little, there we go. I am excited about this. I didn't think I was going to be, but I think when I finally get down to Disney, this little guy is going to come in handy because then I can put him on a backpack strap and film some stuff without looking like a total nerd carrying this camera around. Also, I think I need one more light. This is really, on a gray day down here, it is a little dark. I've got this tiny little light working, but I've got the blue and the orange here, which I like the way it looks, but I'm wondering maybe that's. Let's try a different mode. Let's take the orange one. This is good content here. This is extra. Not everybody gets this. Is that better? It has to be pretty close, I guess, huh? To really, I got this, that's at 100%. Getting a little extra footage here of the Alonzi lights. But I'm wondering, maybe that orange is better. I'm gonna leave it orange. If nothing else, it's more interesting to me. So this, I can't show you because I'm filming on the Osmo, but this little guy will unclasp here. All right, it's a big clasp, and then out, that's nice, it's secure. So secure that I can't get into it. Oh, and that part opens up, and that'll fit around the Osmo. I'll take another video of it and insert it here so that I can either A, use this, all right, seriously, it's like a puzzle, and I'm like okay. either use this with my GoPro stuff right there. Any kind of action mount will fit on there, or my Rode microphone. We can take a look at that. All right, so as a bonus little pop here is the extender. You can see where the buttons are, so it's pretty easy to put on. Obviously, it's just gonna fit on there over the button, so no problem aligning that. That'll lock up like that. Lock up, line up. It fits really snugly, so when I put it on the first time, it was tough to get on. But there it is, man. That is on there now. This will mount to any GoPro item I want. It slides in and out, the mounts. It looks pretty good. And then you've got this cold shoe here, which, gosh, where'd I put it? Even if you were using this transmitter and wanted to use it, fits right on there pretty nicely. I would use this probably with the Rode mic, which is on here. You guys have seen that before, but it's nice. And that was, you know, 20 bucks, and I think worth it. I looked at Amazon and looked at some different ones, and I thought this one was the best. So I'm gonna leave that on there. And I think this summer when I'm traveling around, I'll probably have that, you know, on a backpack strap or something, so I don't have to carry it around and look like an idiot. So that's pretty good. 20 bucks, I think worth it. This feels really snug, really secure. This clamp feels tight. I don't think it's going anywhere, and that's really the main thing, right? You just don't want to lose your camera. So rather than buy a $14 or $13 one on eBay or Amazon, why not get something from DJI that is absolutely made for it? So it's easy. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do for my test. I did this yesterday, and then I realized a piece of that newel post is missing. I realized I didn't hit record, so I can see that it's recording right now, and I'm checking. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk out on down by the waves here and see what the noise cancellation looks like. So I'll do it with this mic, I'll do it with it off, and I'll do it with just the Osmo. I will tell you, as I'm walking here, one little thing I noticed about, and I was just talking about how much I love DJI's attention to detail. One of the things that they did is, so to use this transmitter, I'm so stupid, but I've learned to live with it. So I'm walking back down to the ocean front. Well, I guess I'm at the ocean front. I'm walking back down to the shoreline, to the waves, to demonstrate, hopefully this time, the noise canceling on this DJI Mic 2. So last time, just a few minutes ago. So here's where we are, folks. This is the third time I've recorded this. This is how good I am at this. But you learn, right? So the first time, I didn't hit the record button. The second time, I hit the record button, but I hit the wrong record button. And now this time, we're gonna do it right. So I guess let me redo this. One thing I love about DJI is I really think like real camera users are designing this stuff. It's these little details that come across that are so incredible. So for instance, in order to use this right now, the transmitter, I have to plug in a USB-C adapter. No big deal. You can see here how not hard it is, but doing it every time. I don't have an iPhone. You know, this is the only one I'm gonna use. And I was thinking to myself, man, I wish they had designed it so that it fit into the case. And darn if they didn't do it. I mean, I don't know where to put the little reminder clip, but I need to keep like a little Ziploc bag in my camera bag anyway, in order to keep little loose items like this in there. But way to go, DJI. Such good work. Okay, back down at the ocean front this time. A little breezier, so maybe this will be better than last time. So right now, I've got the mic working. Should be just on regular. Now I'm gonna switch it to noise canceling. I'm gonna double check. Yep, the happy little orange face is on there. So now I am definitely, or should be, I won't say definitely at anything I do, under noise canceling. So this is noise canceling. Sounds pretty good. See how that comes out, because I haven't tried it yet. We don't know. That should be noise canceling off. Now we're just using the mic as it was intended. And then after that, I'll turn it completely off. So now, again, we should be normal DJI camera microphone mode. That should be noise canceling. See if we got rid of some of the ocean noise. Not that you'd want to, but for the purposes of this demonstration, we do. And hopefully back to non-noise canceling. So we'll take a look and see what we think. All right. And then one last thing, let's see what we can do here with, if we can connect this to Bluetooth, because I haven't tried that. So got my Android here. You could put the transmitter right in the bottom and then you wouldn't have to mess with all this. But let's try going to our Bluetooth settings, connections here, and Bluetooth. And then let's turn this sucker on. And then I maybe hold this button. It's in pairing mode. There's the Osmo. Oh, DJI Mic 2 right there. Pairing requested. Connected for calls. All right, let's see if I record a video on this. Let's clean that lens. It's so dirty. All right, let's see if I can record audio on this. Check, check, check. I can't really tell if this is recording or not. Check, check, check. Let's see how that sounds. Does it sound good? I don't know. All right. It looks like it's connected. What if I turn it off? Still can't tell. All right. It looks like we've got one more setting to fix here on the camera. So I've paired it with Bluetooth. I'm going to go over here to Pro Video. See if you can see that. Pro Video. On here, there's a button, Mic. On Mic, we're going to set it to Bluetooth. And now I think we are connected. Check. That looks like it. Let's take a video and see. So now it says on there, recording mic through Bluetooth. Bluetooth, Bluetooth, Bluetooth. And that looks like that's on, right? That should be working. All right, so I'll stop this and take a quick video with just regular audio on my phone, and then we'll try it with the transmitter, because according to what I've heard, the transmitter is really, I mean, Bluetooth is not the best way to do this. So let's see. All right, here's this video on my phone. How many different recordings can I have? I got the phone, I got the Osmo, I've got the old other Osmo. I need to like pocket action, but who knows? All right, so there's that audio. So this is the joy of watching one of my videos, is I screwed this up and didn't get the right footage, and since it's not my actual job, I don't really have time to go back and film it, so I'm just gonna push through. The Bluetooth audio sounded good. It didn't sound bad, but not as good as I think through the transmitter, which, by the by, I never got the transmitter to work with my phone. It would plug in, but I just ran out of time trying to figure that out. So maybe watch somebody else's video if you're trying to use this with your phone. That said, I think all the audio sounded good. You can hear the phone Bluetooth is maybe a little loud, but I think it sounds really good. And here, this is from the Shark Reef Aquarium in Mandalay Bay, and I'll put a link to that video right up at the top for you if you want to go check that out. So here's my real final thoughts. Here's how I feel about it. I think this is about perfect. And I said in the title, so you don't think I'm all bait clicky, that there's one problem with the DJI Wireless Mic 2. And it is really my problem and not theirs. But the problem I have is that I don't need it. I thought about returning it. And you could return it and buy $100 for just another wireless mic. I can't use all three at once. It's okay. It's my fault for not reading them. I sometimes don't think that way. I love this case. I'm in love with the case. I'd really like to just have the case. But to buy this and this, it ends up being like $50 less. So what's the point? I mean, I could save $50, but it's $100 to buy the mic, so I guess I just end up with a spare. Or, you know, if I ever get to the point where my kids actually enjoy doing this stuff with me, then one of them could be on the Osmo Action 4. It's not a GoPro. And use this mic as well. So there's definitely going to be a use for it. Again, it's not DJI's fault, but that's my one problem. I just don't need it. The average person doesn't need this. If you've already bought the Pocket 3, then it's really an extra microphone you don't need. It might be cool if they just sold this, just -1 to add on and save a few dollars. But it is great. I do love it. I do think it's amazing. And you know, it'll get plenty of use. I can't say enough nice things about this case. The case is so well designed. And that, as a real final thought, is really what I think about with DJI versus GoPro, is that the things they're thinking of, and they don't hit everything 100%, but the things they do hit are so well thought out. I mean, just the thumb screws, the magnetic mounts, the things they're putting in, the little magnets, even though I've got this clipped on my shirt, you know, these little magnets, the touches they're doing feel very polished, very well thought out. And it feels like, you know, it was done by folks who actually use the stuff, you know, as opposed to, you know, checking off boxes on a box, you know, like your old security software. We do this, 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 and this, but I don't need all this. I just need the top 3 things. And so, again, it's not DJI's fault. Love the product. Think it's great. Gonna use it. But if you already have the Pocket 3, you might be able to save some money and just get yourself a mic and then charge it. You know, this will keep it all together, but then charge them, you know, with just a regular old USB-C. So that's it. That's what I think about this. I'm gonna kind of hodgepodge this together because, you know, I filmed the other day and then came back and wanted to kind of redo my end notes. So I'm not sure how I'll mix it back and forth. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this helped out some regular folks. Again, please go see someone else besides me if you want all the technical data and what it really does and range and all that. You know, how often am I going to walk 100 yards away from my camera? Probably not very often for what I'm doing, but it might not be what you're using it for. So if you need some specs, again, that flight path guy, I'll link. I think it's up here. I always point down here, but I think it's up here. I'll link to his review. It's what I watched to decide whether or not I liked him or not enough to buy him. So that's it. Keep looking out for new videos. Spread the word. Please subscribe. I've got you know, got that contest going. Trying to get to 1,000. So it just takes a second and it really helps it out. A like would be great too. Feel free to comment. Tell me what I'm doing wrong here. I definitely want advice. But thanks for watching here on Tater. I appreciate it. Have a really big day. As always, stupid end screen. Just subscribe, click, watch some videos. Thanks.